Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 15/10/2023 and the time is around 7:30. This is regarding a weekly forecast on Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. And today in our Sunday webinar, we talked about more about Nifty, Bank Nifty and more stocks based on Ichimoku cycle, Gann cycle, time cycle and all that, including the numbers. Now I'm not going deep into that graph. We will talk about the numbers, but before that I want to show you one thing in Bank Nifty. If you see here, okay, so Bank Nifty is not looking great to me. Maybe Nifty is little fine to me, and unless and until this candle is not closing above somewhere here, so it will face resistance every time it goes up. And we predict, we clearly mentioned today in our webinar which date is crucial for Bank Nifty to break out and all that. But unless and until this candle is not closing above the cloud, there is no question of buy. And next 1 week, if the candle is going inside the cloud, then there will be lot of dilly-dally, and it is for option writers. Many people talking about HDFC Bank. I don't know what is the result and all that, but watch out. But any close below this, be very, very careful on Bank Nifty. Nifty is looking okay, and let's go and talk about the numbers. And again, 13th is the very important day, so mark the high and low of the 13th and take the trade. In case if you want to go long, concentrate on Nifty rather than concentrating on Bank Nifty. So simply mark the high and low of yesterday, which is 13th, and take the trade. But better if it closes above this, it is good for the positional entry. Till that time you can use intraday to buy sell and all that, but the close has to come above this. Break below this, maybe it will come and touch here, and maybe up to this also. So all the numbers is there in my PPT. We will talk about the numbers. So as of now, mark the high and low of this major time cycle. Okay, and in case if it is going to be an inside bar pattern tomorrow, which is again 16th, the impact of solar eclipse, all the more good. Again here the inside bar pattern, this two candle, and if you get one more candle inside bar pattern here, be ready for a mega move on the upside or on the downside. Okay, we talked more about Ichimoku combination in 1 hour 15 minutes, all that we talked about today, so I don't want to go deep into it. Okay, so now let's get into the numbers. Okay, so tomorrow let's get into the date. So I have already marked the 13th high and low here, so use this, and the next cyclic date is happening on 17th, but my important date is 19th. So this is very crucial, and obviously this is the mega day for October, and this one candle decides what's going to happen for November. So as I told you already, this entire month of October belongs to this candle. Again, for the entire month of Bank Nifty, it belongs to this candle, which happened on 27th and 28th. So for next month, the candle to watch is 30th October. This candle decides everything for November, and here this candle is dictating Nifty. This candle is dictating Bank Nifty, and that is why whenever I start the month beginning, I write the candle which you need to watch out for the entire month of October. Okay, and coming to numbers, I will give the numbers tomorrow from 16th October to 20th October, buy and sell number around 9:30. So you can use this number for the weekly game changer number, bullish and bearish number. Okay, and coming to this one, and these are the stocks which we are going to focus this week based on the combination of cycle. These two is looking good and these three are not looking good. and you can add a Tata Chem also. You can add a Tata Chem also for tomorrow. It is also having a combination day, Tata Chem. So watch out for Tata Chem also. Okay. So and tomorrow Nifty, this 5 minutes candle will decide everything. And for Bank Nifty, this 10 minutes candle will decide everything. Okay, so watch out for these two timings. And coming to the number, as I already told you, concentrate on based on ninth astro aspect. We clearly said concentrate on gold, silver, Titan, jewelry, liquor, and Tata Motors. Gold and silver is already flying. Tata Motors went through the roof on Friday. So Titan is consolidating, so watch out for Titan. It is consolidating. Possibility once it breaks the ninth eye, it goes like mad. And liquor is also participating, but Tata Motors and gold and silver are through the roof after the Astro combination date. And again for the tire companies, mark the high and low of 11th October, Seat, Bata, and Apollo tires and all that. So use it for tire companies. Okay. And coming to the numbers. So Nifty, till it is not closing above this number, it is weak only on Nifty future. And this week it closed exactly at this number. So in case if the market opens higher above this number, wait for it to retrace, take a buy, stop loss 54 points. In case if the Nifty future open below this number, wait for it to retrace, go short here, stop loss 54 points. This one number decides everything for this week. And it has to close above this number for positional bullishness. Okay, and now this will act as a support. This will be the game changer number, and these two will act as a resistance. In between, it is going to be a dilly-dally game. Okay, when it breaks below this, then this will also become resistance. So then all the four will become red tomorrow. If it goes below this and close below this, then we are in for a downturn in Nifty. Okay, so spot number, buy above this number, target is given. On the upper side, this area will act as a major resistance, around 20 points a narrow range. So watch out for this number, and sell below this number, and targets are here. Okay, and coming to Bank Nifty, all the numbers are bearish. So all these numbers, in case if the market goes up because of HDFC result, all that I don't know whether it is good, bad, ugly and all. If it goes up, all these numbers will act as a major resistance. First, it has to close above this number. For a weekly bullishness, unless and until two numbers become bull or blue color, which is bullish, there is no buy in Bank Nifty. Absolutely, there is no buy in Bank Nifty. We need minimum two numbers bullish, otherwise no. Now all the numbers are bearish, so kindly watch out for that. And number in spot we have already given you, so kindly watch. Even last time it came and took the support here, last week low. So again close below this, we will see a bloodbath in Bank Nifty. So watch out for this. And coming to TCD date, so Idea is having a lot of combinations in the next week, so you need to watch Idea. And again, TCS, and these stocks maybe is in the end of the week, at the end of the month. And based on the combination cycle, today I've already shown the combination cycles in my weekly webinar. In that, this is very crucial. And in case if you want stocks to focus, one second, just a minute. Okay, so now let's go here. 13th, yeah. So these counters had a major trend change date on 13th October. Okay, so you can mark all these counters high and low of 13th and you can take the trade. For example, Adani Port, Delta Corp, Federal Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Pro, Idea, India Cements, India Mart, Indian Bank, IndusInd Bank, Naukri. IndusInd Bank is looking extremely good, extremely good. As I told you already that above 1197, the target is 2 times of 1197. And it is rocking literally. So Naukri, Page Industries, Sale, all these counters, because when you get a combination on an important date, these dates high and low will work like a magic for these companies. So watch out. UPL, Torrent Power, Sale, Page Industries, Naukri, IndusInd Bank, Indian Mart, India Cements, Idea, ICICI Pro. A lot of companies are having that trend change date. So mark the high and low of these stocks and take the trade from tomorrow. And tomorrow, if you see the combination is Tata Chem. The combination is Tata Chem. So watch out for Tata Chem tomorrow, and other stocks you can definitely have a watch here. And if you see on here, the Delta Corp add 6 combination, and the combination is combining on Monday also. So this is also a stock to watch. Delta Corp, mark the high and low of yesterday and you can take the trade in Delta Corp. Maybe if you want, I can add that one more Delta Corp. Okay, so you can use this. Okay, and that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Market is consolidating like mad, and again anything, as we already predicted that October month it's going to be a stop loss hitting month, and more or less it is doing everything. So now the trend has to change. The trend has to change for a upside move or a downside move, and the date will be 14th. Anyway, 14th is holiday. So now 16th, 13th and 16th are the key dates to watch. So now mark the 13th high and low and take the trade in index. Let's see whether we are going to get the trending move on the upside or trending move on the downside for the next 9 trading or 10 trading session before the expiry. I think we have 9 trading sessions. So I don't know, there is I think one holiday is also happening. So 8 trading sessions. So watch out for that. That's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again saying, I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. And one stock you need to keep in radar and you need to trade for the next 6 months is nothing but the stock which is literally doing well is NMDC. Okay, so it is already rocking. The next target which you are watching out is 169. Above 169 it is 196. Above 196 it is 225. And this is what we are predicting in NMDC. And the date happened on metals date happened on I don't know where I marked it. Sorry, I forgot where I marked the metal dates. I don't know. So okay, so I forgot it. Anyway, NMDC must be in your radar, and as this is the prediction which we are continuing it. So 25th it made the bottom, and 14th October it has to make a high. Whether it's going to be 16th or 13th, we will know tomorrow. And in case if it is going to be an inside bar pattern, tomorrow within the 13th high and low, then this date is the high date. In case if the market closes above, according to me, the market has to make a high on this date. If it is going to close above 16th high, then it's called inversion. Then from year to year, market will try to take an adjustment, okay, to fill this date. Okay, that I will talk later once a candle closes above 13th high, we will talk about that. Okay, so till that time, this is our prediction which is running. So October 14th will be the high, 12th November will be the low, 13th Jan 2024 will be the high of Nifty. Okay, so that's all. See you tomorrow with the magical bullish number and bearish number of Nifty and Bank Nifty as well as Fin Nifty. And tomorrow mid cap is having the expiry, so use it. And we made a good money on Sensex. On Friday we bought it at 33. We made some decent money on the upside. It gave roughly around 400% return for us. Okay, so that's all, nothing more to add. And mark the high and low in case we are not holding any stock in futures or options. We are holding idea in cash, and index we are holding only Bank Nifty short, nothing else. Okay, see you soon in case if there is any combo timing tomorrow. So until then, good night, happy Navaratri to all, and again 8-0 in World Cup. So kudos to our Indian players. They performed really well. Let's see whether they are going to rock in the remaining matches and reach the finals. Okay, according to me, the cup is not belong to India. Okay, let's see. Wait and watch. Bye.